Today's FamX Talk thinking about the personal boundaries in the family. If you are a family person with two or three kids in your family, you may have minimum four to five different personality in that family, and they may have different type of identities, and they have different needs. How do we keep a boundary between these people and then avoid the conflicts inside the family, and at the same time help them to improve the way that they can manage themselves in a community? Because family is the basic element, basic unit for the society, and then whatever we learning from family is what we are trying to implement in the community or in the workplace and wherever we are going when we are grown up. So, starting from childhood, we need to engage our children in a way that they can keep their personal boundaries, and then we don't really involve in that boundaries. At the same time, they don't come and conflict with our personal boundaries for the adults and parents. How can we implement that? That's a big topic that we need to learn and then practice in our family in order to build a better generation. Personal boundaries experiencing inside the family is the best knowledge or best experience that an adult can pick it up during their own life, because for all the toxic relationship in the community is actually starting from the lack of boundaries or having extra boundaries in their family life. So we need to make sure to notify, educate my family members what exactly the boundary means, why we need the boundaries, and what are the different levels of boundaries that we should be keeping inside the family, inside the community. So, if you are a parent or if you are a young adult in the family, think about the boundaries that you have. Is that coming from some culture that you already practice, or is it something forced from your family? If not, find out the reason for those boundaries. Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be bad, because all the boundaries and lack of boundaries are the main reason for the toxic relationship. So, this is a day to reflect on your family dynamics and whether you have a boundary rules or you have some boundaries added in your family life so that your children or your whole family can learn the need of boundary in their life. If not, this is the time to start putting those boundaries in your family. This is FamX Talks from Melbourne.